Okay guys, so I'm getting this code. It's for a Evap leak and it's saying it's permanent. So my check engine light came on and I kept getting the gas cap. The gas cap light kept coming on. So I'm gonna diagnose this. Okay guys, it's raining, so bear with me. Step number one is I usually get the cheapest part first when trying to fix a problem. So since this is the stock cap and sometimes this rubber seal right here goes bad, I got, oh, you smell a lot of gas. I got the stock OEM cap. Brand new seal. Give me 1 second. I need 2 hands for this. Well, guys, it does say pending, even though this monitor before, as you can tell, it wasn't ready. And all my monitors are ready. So this code should erase. Well, it's not on. Hold on, let me show you. It is not on my dash. There's no check engine light. So the gas cap seemed to be the issue. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna continue driving it. See, oops, I'm driving and I'm doing a lot. Do not try this at home. But I'm gonna continue driving it and report back to you guys. But I do think my issue was the gas cap. You know, my car is 2012. It's a few years. It's over like what, 12 years. So it could probably be the gas cap gasket. I'm not sure if they specifically sell that apart or just the gasket itself, but the gas cap was about 15 bucks on eBay. So I'll provide the link. But yeah, my small Evap leak seemed to be the gas cap.